Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload invoice in Zoho. An invoice is a document given to the buyer by the seller to collect payment. It includes the cost of the products purchased or services rendered to the buyer. Invoices can also serve as legal records if they contain the names of the seller and client, description and price of goods or services, and the terms of payments. So how you can import or upload invoice in Zoho? It's very easy thing to do. For this, first open Zoho and log into your account. Then what you have to do, from the home page, first go to sales, then from the sales select invoices, then now you can add new invoice from here, then select new invoice, or you can also select import invoices from here. Then and then upload your invoices file. To upload this, just select choose file and select your file, and that's it. That's how you can upload or import invoices file in Zoho. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tips like this.